Welcome back. Nusi Walk Hard Hospital has launched its Walk Hard Medical Center at Madgaon. The center will offer its OPD services that will benefit people in and around the city.
With a mission to provide the best and convenient healthcare services, Nusi Walk Hard Hospital has started its outpatient department services at its newly launched Walk Hard Medical Center at Madgaon. The center was launched by President of Indian Medical Association Dr. Gladstone DeCosta and Additional Collector of South District Prasanna Acharya. Experts from different fields will be available at the center during the weekdays. Dr. DeCosta emphasized the need of having such centers as it is convenient to the people.
The idea is, for example, if there's somebody in North Goa, to travel all the way to Nusi Hospital becomes a little difficult. So for them, the access to the Karanjali clinic will be much easier. Similarly, for Margao and surrounding areas, access to this clinic is easier than going to Nusi. And then, having seen the patient here and diagnosed the problem, then the follow-up management, if anything is required, can be done at the Wokat Nusi Hospital.
A reporter from Kukadi, Ramesh Naik.
And now let's have a look at the other happenings around the state.
Birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was observed at Congress House on Sunday. Floral tributes were offered by congressmen to Nehru portrait. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar, MP Francisco Sardina and other members were present, but no other Congress MLA or minister was seen at the function. Some congressmen expressed deep concern about the absence of the Congress MLAs and the ministers. A new chapter of astronomy has been inaugurated at MAPSA, Association of Friends of Astronomy and Public Astronomical Observatory, along with President of AFA, Prasival Norona, Coordinator Sadashiv Vaz, Gopal Rao Mayekar and Subhash Naik were present for the inauguration function. The association conducts activities at various places in Goa. Their aim is to enlighten the youngsters on astronomy. Association also conducts programs like camps, slideshow, sky observations, workshops to educate the students on science. El Shaddai Charitable Trust is organizing a Child Abuse Prevention Awareness Week. The organization will conduct rallies on 14th and 19th November in Madgaon and Panji to mark this event. Similar events are also seen throughout the world to mark the occasion.
It is a responsibility of the government to implement the child rights. As you all know, child labor is abolished or banned or illegal, but you look around, everywhere children are working. Everywhere children are put into a hazardous situation where they have to work for 12 to 14 hours a day.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Carbon nanotube technology is all set to change the world we live in. Nanotubes are fire resistant, very hard and has high thermal conductivity. Many scientists believe that space elevators are very much possible with the help of carbon nanotubes. Here is a report.
Space elevators are still a fictional story, but scientists across the world believes they can build this fictional elevator going to space. These elevators would then carry logistics and human beings to space station. Space shuttles cost thousands of crores to build and operate. Space elevators, once operational, would substantially bring down the cost of space travel. A.K. Sood is a leading scientist at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He believes carbon nanotubes can help in building these space elevators.
The idea is that you can make this space elevator, you can do this, but this requires, the key component of this requires a ultra strong rope which should be very, very strong but should not be heavy, otherwise by its own weight it will die. So the only material which is possible, which has been shown to be possible, is carbon nanotube composite. The only material so far.
A.K. Sood gave presidential address at the 76th annual meeting of Indian Academy of Sciences held at NIO recently. Many scientists are of opinion that nanotubes will bring big change in materials and instruments we are using in our daily life. Trade in nanotube technology has already reached to over Rs 5,000 crores globally. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
News from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.